Hi everyone, welcome to another one of my videos. I'm on one of our small developments whereby I'm going to give you some tips, maybe show you some tricks and give you advice on how to invest in property properly and profitably. So I'm on one of our developments that's coming to an end. It is actually a barn conversion project, and as you can see, we've created the access into the site over there, over there. And we're just finishing off the driveway as well. Now you may say or ask, what is that funny grid system or green thing that you've got down on the driveway? Well, it's a great system to use, and it's a very cost effective to use, a lot cheaper than other finishes that you can use on a driveway like tarmac or slabbing or even concrete. So what this is basically, if I just go down, I can show you. Okay, so you've got a plastic grid system, okay? And basically it's only about 50 millimeters deep. It's rock solid. It comes in like jigsaw puzzles, about 1/2 meter by 1/2 meter, and you just lay them all over your driveway. Now underneath this system you have to put some hardcore, and then you put the grids on top, and then you can fill these with whatever type of gravel you like. You can even fill it with earth and then seed it. The grass will grow so that when you drive your vehicles over it, they don't sink. So they won't sink into the gravel, they won't wheel spin, or if you've got earth and seed, your wheels won't get muddy and it won't sink. You may see these sometimes in when you go to festivals, the parking areas have got this type of system down. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill this with nice decorative pea gravel so that when cars then come over it, they're not going to sink, they're not going to wheel spin, and the gravel will stay constant, level and attractive for many years to come. It is a great system. So if, for example, you're doing a driveway to a flip property or to a rental and so on, or even you've got a bit of off-street parking at the back of the property, this type of system is really cost effective to use. I absolutely love it. And it's really easy to install. You can do it yourself. Because of the size of this project, we've got contractors actually doing it. But again, as I say, it is a great system to use. We've even created our own little parking spaces, as you can see here, for the cars. So this property here is a 3-bedroom. So we've created 3 parking spaces, and over there, look, you can see we got the new site access, which is absolutely stunning. What we've used over here is cobbles. So if I just show you. Can you see? So as you come into the site, there's cobbles, and then the rest of it is going to be gravel on top of this grid system. And the other good thing to bear in mind is that because we're using gravel, no water is going to accumulate, so it'll never flood. We won't get any puddles. It's superb for the environment. It'll all drain naturally. It doesn't overload any drainage. You imagine if this was tarmac, you know, the drains could possibly block and so on. But we have put some drainage in here because obviously the rain will run off the cobbles into this area. So if there is a heavy downpour, that drainage system, which soaks away naturally into the ground, will drain any surface water off. So there you have it. Hope this video has been helpful. Hope the tip and advice has proved helpful as well. If you'd like to learn more about what we do, how we do it, so that you can make money when you're investing in property properly and profitably, by all means subscribe to this channel, get in touch. We'd be delighted to share with you more information on what we do and how we do it. So yeah, until next time, ciao for now.